Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool text behind person effect on Canva. So you're going to just select like a picture or something. Make sure you remove your background, go to text and add a heading. I'm just going to type in midnight, and I'm also going to change the font of it too, and I'm going to move it like here. Copy and paste it, go to effects and choose hollow, and then on this one you're going to right click and select send to back. Make sure on your picture you lock it, and then you're just going to add this one on top of the text. So whenever you move around your text, it looks like it's like hollow, like when it touches the picture. I hope you understand what I mean by that, as you can see right here. But yeah, that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!